happy birthday. Yeah, yeah. I know you hate it.
Happy birthday, Ate Ann. Wish ko sana talaga mabuti si Tongtong. Sana sabi mo kay Kuya Ram, padala niya sa bata steak. Happy birthday, Ate Ann.
Ate Ann, happy birthday! Sana mag-stay kang maganda. At sana tumaba ka na. At sana ingatan mo si Tongtong at si Chloe. That's all. Thank you. I love you. Happy birthday! Yeah, happy birthday, Miss Embe! Happy birthday din! Nasaan? Miss Embe! Tanduay ka! Tanduay ka! Happy mo. Happy birthday! Tanduay ka. Tanduay ay! Ayoko na siya pero happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday! Pwede naman pala kasi si Nepi. Happy birthday, Tatay! Happy birthday, Yan!
Happy birthday, Ate Yan. Wish ko, stay pretty, good health. More babies, sana tumaba ka na. Lagaan mo mabuti si Tongtong. Huwag mo painitin ang ulo ni Mama Angie. Yun lang, ingat, I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tot. More blessings to come. More birthdays. More gifts. Sana tabana ka. Tsaka more baby, syempre, diba? Sige, happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Ann. Wish you all the best. Sana tumaba ka na. Tsaka good health mo. Good life. More baby. I love you so much.
Okay, much has been said. Most of the wishes is sana tumaba ka na. Well, yun na lang din ang wish ko. Anyway, there are times na nagkakatampuhan tayo, but it's normal. We're friends, diba? Super close tayo. Ako ang Pluto, ikaw ang Sun. So, ganun tayo ka-close. There are also times na kayo ni Kuya Ron nagkakantampuhan, si Mama Angie, si Christian. That's normal. That's a part of growing up. Sabi mo nga, diba? Angry bird, eat marshmallow. Okay, take care of yourself. Lagi kang kumain sa oras. Si Tongtong, alagaan mo. Pag ako yung maman, pag-aaralin ko siya. Okay, happy birthday, best friend. Ingat lagi. Hindi ko man nasabi sa'yo lagi to, pero alam mo, kahit na di mo nararamdaman, I love you.
I know you hate it. Well, I miss you too.